You have now watched the previous video on how to get your stuff ready to trace. Real quick, remember, here's your project. You now have put pencil all over the back of it, and now you're going to flip it over. Look at that fine-looking gentleman right there. Such a good-looking guy. I could pinch your cheeks. Okay, so I'm just going to put that right there. Put that right there. Now it's time for us to start tracing. You're not going to go in and look at all the lights and darks and things like that. That's for a little bit later. If you want to put a few highlights in, that's fine. But you're essentially making right now a line drawing. So I'm going to come in here. Step one is I want you to outline the person all the way around the outside because we're going to color the background differently than everything else. It is going to be rather difficult. You might have to make a little bit up because of the manipulation of the image. Unless you're using one that's non-manipulated, you're going to have to guess on where the neck is because it looks like it comes in like that, but that would have a really skinny neck. So my neck actually comes down like this. So I'm coming in here. Now, if you had stuff on your shirt, which I do not in this photo, you are going to... Oh, no, I just broke my pencil. Give me 1 second. Okay, I'm back. So... if you had stuff like folds or wrinkles or anything on your shirt, you're probably going to have to make the folds and wrinkles, but if you have like something written on your shirt and you don't want it, that's fine. So I'm going to come over here. This goes down this way. I'm going to come over here. I've got like this fold or wrinkle right here for my shirt. Angry man. Let me get this dark area right there. My ear. So notice I kind of went off a little bit there. I should continue to outline this. So the first step is I'm going to outline. Okay. So I outlined the entire thing. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in and I'm going to just trace some of the main things. I'm going to start out, I already got the mouth, I kind of went off task there a little bit. I'm going to get just the bottom of the nose, like the sides here, nostrils. Alright, I'm going to kind of trace in as much as I can of the eye here. I'm going to get my glasses. And what I'm doing right now is I'm just making sure that I get things that I know where they're at, so when I draw this later, I get an idea on where everything is. Okay, so side of my face, the ear would come in like that. There you go. Okay, so now I've got this done. This is all I needed to do. So I'm going to pull this off of here, and you can very lightly see a picture of Mr. Thas. It might do you some good to go over this in pencil to kind of help you out, and it'll give you a good idea on where everything is at.